Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on the Edward Seaga Highway. That's the Highway 2000 North-South leg. We are currently on Mandela Highway, and this is where you use Mandela Highway to access the Edward Seaga Highway. So we're heading down towards the entrance to the highway. Now the North-South Highway, or Highway 2000 North-South leg, it's a highway that connects Kingston to Ocho Rios. And the reason for this highway was because they wanted persons in Jamaica, anywhere you are in Jamaica, to be able to access the tourist attractions easily and quickly. So Ocho Rios has all the major tourist attractions: Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove. Those are the top three attractions in Jamaica. So the highway was built from Kingston to Ocho Rios to facilitate that. And it's a toll road. You have to pay toll. It's actually the most expensive toll road in Jamaica. Just to give you an example, a class 2 vehicle, that's what we drive, so I know that toll. It's $3,600 to use the highway, Jamaican. That works out to about about 25 US. So it's very expensive because the other toll road, to use it from Kingston to Maypen, is $1,200, which works out to less than 10 US, probably about 8 US. So this highway is it's more expensive, but it costs more to build because it had to go through a lot of terrain. Actually, the first company that started the highway was a French company, Bogues, and they were not able to finish it. They ran into so many problems. So the Chinese company, China Harbor, came in and said they'll fix the road, give us a 50-year concession to collect toll on it, and give us 1,500 acres of land, and we will fund the entire project. So the government agreed, and China Harbor paid the French company for the work that they had done already, and then they continued the highway, and then they finished it. And ever since they built that highway, China Harbor has built every highway in Jamaica. Every major road project goes to China Harbor Engineering Company. So studies were done, all sort of inquiries, and they all came out that it was a very good deal by the government because persons were concerned about the land and the 50 years. But at the end of the day, everybody agreed it was an excellent decision by the government of the time. And that's why that formula, or that, how would you say, joint venture agreement, basically, that's how they do it going forward now. Now, Jamaica has other highways, but it's only Highway 2000 that is a toll road because of how it was done. A foreign company built it. The Jamaican government gave them a concession to collect toll. One leg of the highway is 35 years. The highway we're going on now is 50 years, depending on the cost. Actually, what China Harbor told the government was, even at 50 years, because the highway, the Edward Seaga Highway, does not have as much traffic as the east-west leg of Highway 2000. So they said even with a 50-year concession, you're not going to make back. They're not going to make back the money they spent on the highway. So that's why land was given to China Harbor to compensate. Alright, so we are now at the Caymanos entrance to the Edward Seaga Highway. Or I think they call it the Caymanos Toll Plaza, or Toll Booth. So we're turning right onto the highway now. We continued straight, we'd stay on Mandela and head towards Spanish Town. Okay, so the sign says Jamaica North-South Highway because when the highway was opened, it was called Jamaica North-South Highway, or Highway 2000. A few years after it was opened, it was renamed the Edward Seaga Highway, and Edward Seaga was a former Prime Minister. Jamaican highway was named in his honor. Now this highway, this toll system, it's different from the other leg of the highway. This one you collect a ticket and you present the ticket when exiting the highway and they'll tell you how much to pay. If you drive the entire length of the highway, it's 3,600. The other leg of Highway 2000, you only have 2 toll plazas. So once you reach a toll plaza, you pay. They don't give you a ticket or anything. So this is now the Edward Seaga Highway, and it runs from Kingston all the way to Ocho Rios. You have exits in Angels, which takes you to Spanish Town. You have one in Linstead, you have one in Monique, and I think you have another one, but those are the main ones. You can see it's a very nice road, dual carriageway, concrete barricade. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.